Good afternoon. It's January 5th, 2025, and it's a Monday. We are in the settlement hour, and settlement is 6946 and a quarter. Nothing much today. In the chat, we called out that the open, essentially 9:30, could be a change of state of delivery. Luckily, it turned out that it did not turn into a change of state of delivery, and it pretty much just chopped up here and then back down for not much of a gain. From there, it's like 40 something ticks, so it's pretty much nothing you would have to take out. Up here, your 80 ticks lands at around at 6954 and a quarter. So if you took that right off of here, there were a couple. Since it was choppy, there was a couple. So you could have taken. So there was news at 10 o'clock. So this is 10:01. Could have entered here, here, and then here again for little gains. It wasn't really anything today. So you have to be in and out for the day. Discount. Now that we're in a decent premium, discount would be 6931 and a half. So for a bullish run tomorrow, you would want to look around there. Essentially, the low of the New York session would be decent enough to look for. Bullish move. We're trying to see if we'll take all-time highs again. And yeah, it's Monday. Don't really want to put any trades on. No point on putting trades on a Monday, especially the first real trading day of the week and a Monday. Not really something you really want to do. But yeah, I was looking in the morning. I wanted to see what they would do with this here, with this high day here. Came back. This hit at around or after 8:30. It hit discount of the day to a tick, and then just ran off for the rest of the day. So overnight, since we saw that gap up, we wanted to see if they wanted to take previous day high. They did, and that was pretty much it for the day. So now we want to see. Let's go to the 20-day. Let's look at what the 20-day looks like at this point. So as of now, even if it turns up here, the 20-day discount is still the contract open to a tick. So I'll even show you again. Contract open is essentially equilibrium right now. We're in a premium, and we do want to see all-time highs. So because of that, you shouldn't really be trading or taking on positions because you just don't know. But the next best solution would be discount up today to go higher. I do think they're just going to chop for a little bit for the rest of the week. So we're just going to have to see that play out. Bitcoin, though. I don't know if I talked about this, but Bitcoin, this level here is essentially a quarterly order block, and it's the open of quarter two. So I've been looking to see if we'll actually start going up. Everyone's getting excited with this here, but right now we just need to look at this high that it's about to tag probably by tomorrow. The whole deal going on in Venezuela. It's got people pretty excited about equities and all that good stuff. We could even look at crude real quick. So crude essentially took Friday's low and then went up for the day. That makes sense. But pretty much, as a position trade, I don't know really about crude being a position trade. We were down all the way down here at during COVID. And I wouldn't be surprised in the event that we do get oil rich, we'll probably start hitting these lows again. But this is the macro on crude oil. It's very boring. Not really something that you should trade daily. But yeah, discounted today could be a start to a bullish run. Last week is added weekly volume. So in terms of the range of last week's range, We are in a premium. So in theory, this could be a seller's deal here based off of what the weekly is doing. But you just don't know with this week going forward. So let's just try to keep staying bullish and look at discount of today as a possible reversal point to hit this high and then all-time high. So obviously. All right. You have a blessed day.